suppose.
I suppose. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Cheers.
Cheers, love you. Love you all.
Oh, happy Saturday and happy birthday,
Ashley!
Our baby girl, Ashley, is 31 today.
Huh?
Uh-huh. Yeah, you weren't counting anymore, were you? Yeah, you lost track. 31. Wowza.
Holy moly.
Happy birthday, Ashley. We love you and miss you. Hope you have a wonderful
Happy
day.
birthday, Ash.
Hope you have a wonderful day.
Yes.
So thank you, everybody, for joining us today. We appreciate you viewing very, very much. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And click that little bell so that you make sure you get a notification every time we put out a new video. Please give us a thumbs up, like. Thumbs up is liking it, sharing, and what else?
Commenting.
Oh, comment. Yeah, comment.
Leave us a comment. We get a few comments every week. Sometimes we get blasted with comments when I say something that's not right. So we must get blasted more than not.
How do you like our new shirt?
Hey, look at this.
So it really should say more like, sorry for the colorful metaphors that I threw at you while we were parking the trailer. I know that would be a really long thing.
Yeah, but it might work.
For us.
For us.
Nah, we do pretty good these days.
So,
in the beginning.
Shirts.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking shirts, not backing up.
Yeah. Focus, Lori, focus.
Focus.
So, Tom has designed a new shirt, and our friend Rich has designed part of our new shirts,
Tell
too.
me if it's in the picture.
Yes, it is.
You like that?
That's a new design from our friend Rich Summers, our incredible artist friend.
He's amazing.
He's amazing. So not only is he an amazing painter, he's getting into graphic arts too and is doing a wonderful job. And he whipped that up for us. Yeah. And so we hope you like it.
You can see more of his designs and things that he has for sale at
Redbubble.com.
Redbubble.com.
We'll put the link in the description below.
The link will be in the
It's
description
Rich
below.
Summers Art.
Rich Summers Art. It's really amazing what he does and what he can create. It just blows me away.
A great vision.
And you can buy these online at bonfire.com. So check it out. They'll come without
Minus
bear
the bear hair.
Yeah. They won't come with all the bear hair.
So. Unless you want bear hair, we'll ship that to you separately.
And this is a sweatshirt, you know, so it's a little toasty, but I think we've got some t-shirts, we've got some long sleeve tees, there's all kinds of stuff. Go check it out at bonfire.com.
And if you see a shirt where you like the design on this shirt, but you want this type of shirt, send us an email.
Let us know. I can go.
And then Tom can redesign.
I can
stuff.
upload it, and
So
then
you
it'll
can
be there for you.
Redesign
Just
it.
that quick.
Yep. So Saturday, after we chatted with you, I did some work, and you did some work, video stuff.
Yeah.
Well, I should never call doing the videos work for you, because that's your hobby.
It's
Making cards and jewelry is mine.
Playing.
So
Playing with YouTube videos.
I did work, but and then there was an afternoon ball game.
Yeah.
And then Sunday there was morning baseball. I mean, really early morning baseball, and we went outside and we hung out with Kevin and Wendy for a little while and just sat and chatted. And I repotted some plants. Well, actually, Dave from our Endeavor had given me some spider plant starters, and so they had rooted, so I finally got them in some plant dirt. I was waiting till we got here to do that.
Yeah.
And then gave Bear a trim on her paws and other places. And that was all after the ball game. So we just had a nice Sunday afternoon doing little piddly things around here. Monday I worked, and you did some videos. And Tuesday was just kind of a lazy kind of day. We napped.
We napped. Well, let me rephrase that. She napped. I kind of snooze for a few minutes, and I just can't nap. I don't know why. I've never been able to nap. But this one, she can put her head back in a chair, and in seconds, she's sawing logs. So
Anywhere, anytime.
While she was napping, I got out. You did a pretty good job. You got it all off. I got out a flare, and I drew a picture very carefully while she's sleeping of Mark Hamill on her forehead. When she woke up, you should have seen the Luke on her face.
Oh my God. That was horrible. You went a long way to get to there. Oh, jeez. Well, you know, it's those unique makeup wipes. They work really good getting marker off. Yeah. Oh, boy. So we have still been getting thunderstorms here. And I have to correct myself. Last week I said something about how the thunderstorms reminded me of when I was a kid, and we would have afternoon thunderstorms. And my sister says, yeah, but it wasn't the torrential rains that we've been getting. We'd have, like, you know, summer sprinkles with thunderstorms then. And now, lately, it has been like hard rain.
It's crazy. You get a half inch to maybe as much as 2 inches of rain in a 2 or 3 hour period. And it's just crazy how much rain we've got. And it's almost every single day. Yesterday, no rain here, but today there's an 80% chance of thunderstorms. Tonight, 80%. Tomorrow, 80%.
So for Nevada, it's been muggy. Because it's been warm.
It's almost like being in Oklahoma.
It's been muggy. It hasn't been hot, which is awesome. I'm loving this. It's just nice, cool, comfortable temperatures. But then we have the rain and the mud and the mugginess. But I'm still really not complaining. I'd rather have this than the 100-plus temperatures.
Last year, this time when we were here, it was 100 degrees almost every day already.
It was too hot.
This year, it's only in the 70s, so we're loving it. And all the rain's doing is just pushing back all my projects I wanted to do on the RV, because about everything I want to do is outside or in the basement, to where we would pull everything out. And we don't want to do that in the dirt and the mud and the rain. So
we'll get to it.
We'll push it back till it
will
warms up in July or August.
It will dry out very quickly.
Yes, it will.
Very quickly.
So.
Wednesday evening, we had an event to go to for our grandson Alex's school.
This was such a thrill.
He was like the student body president, a year younger than you're normally the student body president for the whole school.
Yeah.
And so he had a speech to kind of summarize his year as president and passing the gavel to the next president.
Yeah.
So it was really neat. He dressed up like a little man. He's got a tailored.
He is a little man.
He's been a little man since he was little.
He skipped. He went from little kid to little man. He skipped the kid.
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yep. So he gave a speech, and he looked so handsome. It was awesome. So we always love that we're able to be here for that event. Next year, it will be him graduating from the school. Yeah, from the 8th grade.
Yeah.
From that school, and
he'll be
heading
into high school. Holy moly.
Yeah, that's hard to believe. I mean, Max has already finished is finishing his freshman year at high school.
Yeah.
It's just hard to believe. I know there's people out there that have grandchildren that are older than ours, but yikes. Yikes. So, we love doing that. And then Thursday I was supposed to go with my mom to go play Yahtzee with her friends. And I get to my mom's, and she's like, change the plans. And she's on her way out to the car. She says, one of them was sick, so they canceled it, and I was going to take her shopping. So it's like, okay, let's go. So
hey, that's what we're here for. It's family time.
Exactly.
Right?
So ran a couple errands with her, and then got back to her place and played cards. So she took advantage of having me for a couple of hours that I was scheduled to be away from home anyway.
And again, had we not entered into living full-time in an RV and gone this way with our life, our RV life now, we wouldn't be here at an extended period of time. We would come up for a weekend every once in a while, depending on where my radio job was, and the last one was in Bakersfield. So you know, that's part of RV living. For us, you know, we get to spend time in Reno with family. We do check out Bakersfield once in a while and get to go down there and see Ashley, but it's nice having the freedom to go and be where and when we want at any time.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yeah, we love it. I was also able to help out another family member this week.
That's right.
Because I was here and available, and you know, everybody else was working, so I was able to go and help someone else out. So I love that we have that kind of flexibility by living in the RV. And we're not an adventure channel, and we've told you that before. We're not out having adventures, going on hikes.
Once in a great while.
We'll go
but
for
not
a
very
walk,
often, you know.
but not a hike.
This is just our daily life.
Yeah.
And we happen to live in an RV.
And we like showing you that you can live a basically kind of normal life. You don't have to go on adventures or be on vacation all the time.
Nah.
Living and traveling in an RV.
Yeah.
So that's our style of RV life.
Yeah. Everybody has what they think fits them, and that's what it's all about.
Yeah, exactly. And then I also did some card stuff the past few days, cutting out some stuff for cards. And then yesterday morning, oh my gosh, this was so fun.
It was a hoot.
So we received an email from one of you viewers saying that you were in the area and you would love it if we could meet up for breakfast. So we did, and we had a wonderful time. Thank you so much, Terry and Lee. It was wonderful meeting you.
It was a blast to get to hang with you guys.
We had a great time visiting with you.
Yes.
Terry and I have card making and scrapbooking in common.
Gosh.
So that was fun talking about that. And she taught us a couple of things about some picture storage options.
Yeah.
And so we just had... I think we sat there for like a couple hours.
Yeah, we did. We did.
I always feel bad for waitresses when we hog the table for a couple hours with people, but
it was so
wasn't that
great
busy.
Because you reached out and
Yes.
said, hey, we happen to be here in the Reno area. And they were actually here for an
rally.
an RV rally with Heartland. And so
Yeah.
they just reached out on an email, and I told her, I said, let's get together with these guys.
yeah.
you
He's
know?
like, did you see that email? I said, yes, can we go?
So we love meeting new folks.
We
you
do.
know,
Just
so,
like when Daryl reached out to
Yes.
us at Walmart the other day when he saw us.
Yeah.
And then Terry reached out with an email because she knew we were in the area. So if you know we're in the area, or if you see us out and about, please say hello.
Yes.
Or, I mean, we can meet up. Generally, you know, we're pretty flexible with our schedule.
Yep.
And we would love to meet you. So thank you again, Terry and Lee,
Yes,
for
you
reaching
guys
out to
are
us
awesome.
and for breakfast. And we hope to see you again out on the road somewhere. So that was kind of our week in a
That was
pretty
pretty much it.
Not a whole heck of a lot else. We've been watching baseball and getting depressed. But last night was a win. Yay!
Yes, the Cardinals are still in last place. Yes,
Oh.
the Cubbies are ahead of them by a half a game. Woohoo!
It's just been a trying year, that's for sure.
Oh,
So,
boy.
It's not even half over yet, so who knows?
Yeah.
Who knows? They were way, way behind, and then they caught up pretty close, and then they've fallen back again.
98 games left. The Cardinals only have to win about 90 of them. You know, like that's going to happen.
Oh, well, we still try to enjoy watching the game.
We like baseball.
We do.
It's just fun to watch.
We do. So we
a little
do.
aggravating, but it's fun to watch.
You know, because we're professional armchair managers.
Oh, yes. Most definitely.
I think I'm going to make us some shirts that say that.
Oh, most definitely.
Or,
Don't pull the pitcher yet. He's only got 100.
he's doing good.
My
Don't
gosh.
pull him. And then you stick in the bullpen and they screw it up.
Ugh.
Neither here nor there. Y'all didn't come here to talk baseball.
All right.
All right, everybody. Have a wonderful week, and we will
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Hey, you ready to go eat?
Is it breakfast time?
Again?
Is it breakfast time? Is it breakfast time? What are you doing? Get Daddy.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go eat.